Yeah, everyone at the law office was extremely helpful. We had so many questions because this is all new to us. So it was really great. They even answered the smallest little details that we needed help with. Hi, I'm Lisa McCurdy. I'm a client and a friend of Sam McCarthy and McCarthy Law. So we're new parents, and once our daughter was born, we just realized that we needed to have everything, set up and ready to go just in case the worst possible case scenario happened. It's not something you want to think about right after you have a baby, but we just know the reality of the world, and we wanted to make sure that everything was squared away for our daughter and any future children that we might have. My husband and I, neither of us are in law, so we really didn't know what we were getting into, but it was the most seamless process. We were able to arrange pretty much everything over the phone or over email at first, and then we just came in for one quick visit where we sat down, we went through everything completely, so we understood everything we were signing, everything we were putting into our estate planning packet, and then we signed everything, and it was just super smooth and easy. And of course, if anything came up, we know we could ask questions or contact anybody in the office, and they would be super helpful and friendly, which is also nice. So we're a military family, so there's a lot of things that we have to consider and a lot of moving parts in our lives, and having this squared away and we know it's taken care of, and we know if anything happens, McCarthy Law has everything on file and they know exactly what we want and what we need, is just such a weight off of our shoulders. We move all the time. We have all these different things happening to us. Obviously, my spouse is in a risky field. And so just knowing that this is all done and squared away, but also that we could change it if we wanted to, if we ever wanted to make an adjustment, is just such a peace of mind for us. And when we look at our daughter, we don't want to be worried about her future. And we know that is totally squared away now, and just check that box off. And we know McCarthy Law has it totally covered. Yeah, no, I just knew right away it had to be Sam and her team. I know she's one of the most knowledgeable attorneys in Rhode Island as far as estate planning goes, and she's just friendly and warm, and the whole culture of the law office entirely is friendly and helpful. I think a lot of times when you call, attorneys' offices, they can be a little stuffy, and it's a little off-putting when you're dealing with something as delicate and emotional. And so to have a team where, they take everything seriously and they know what they're doing, but it's friendly and it's comfortable, and there's never any pressure to do more or do less. And I just think that that's really helpful, especially as somebody, again, who's, navigating this as I don't know anything about it. So trust is really important, and from day one, we've trusted this team with everything.